50 interesting facts about the planet Uranus. Uranus is rightfully considered the seventh planet in the solar system. This is an amazing planet with its own characteristics. The planet is not able to fully release heat, so it is very cold on its surface. In addition, life on it is impossible for organisms such as humans. Scientists are trying to explore the planet Uranus in order to get the maximum benefit from it for the Earth. Next, we invite you to watch more interesting and exciting facts about the planet Uranus. 1. Uranium was discovered 3 times. 2. This planet is considered the 7th in the solar system. 3. 1 year on Uranus is equivalent to 84 years on Earth. 4. The atmosphere of Uranus is recognized as the coldest and is equal to 224 degrees Celsius. 5. The diameter of the planet is almost 50,000 kilometers. 6. The tilt axis of Uranus is equal to 98 degrees Celsius and it seems that it is lying on its side. 7. Uranus is the third most massive planet in the solar system. 8. A day on the planet Uranus lasts about 17 hours. 9. Uranus is a blue planet. 10. In total, today Uranus has 27 satellites. 11. The density of uranium is equal to 1.27 grams per cc. At the same time, it is in second place in terms of density. On the first Saturn. 12. Clouds on the planet Uranus can be seen through infrared waves. 13. Many of the clouds on the planet can only exist for a few hours. 14. The wind speed on the rings reaches 250 meters per second. 15. Wind speed in mid-latitudes reaches 150 meters per second. 16. The mass of all the moons of Uranus is less than half of Triton, the largest moon of Neptune, the largest of its kind in the solar system. 17. The largest satellite of Uranus was recognized as the satellite Titania. 18. Uranus was discovered after the invention of the telescope. 19. For the first time, after the discovery of the planet, they wanted to name it in honor of King George III of England, but the name did not stick. 20. Every space lover will be able to admire Uranus, but only under very dark skies and good weather conditions. 21. The only spacecraft to visit Uranus was Voyager 2 in 1986. 22. The atmosphere of this planet consists of hydrogen, helium and methane. 23. An interesting fact is that all the moons of Uranus were named after Shakespeare and Pope. 24. Uranus, like Venus, rotates clockwise than the other planets of the solar system. This is called a retrograde orbit. 25. Herschel was the last to discover Uranus. Moreover, he just realized that it was a planet, not a star. This event took place in 1781. 26. Uranus received its final name from the German astronomer Johann Bode. 27. The planet Uranus got its name in honor of the ancient Greek god of the sky. 28. As a result of the presence of methane in the planet's atmosphere, its color has a blue-green tint. 29. Uranium is more than 83% hydrogen. The planet also contains 15 plus or minus 3% helium and 2.3% methane. 30. Scientists believe that Uranus began to rotate on its side after a collision with a larger cosmic body. 31. It is worth noting that while on one part of the planet it is summer, and the scorching rays of the sun fall on each pole, the other part of the planet is subject to a harsh winter in darkness. 32. The magnetic field of one side of Uranus exceeds the other by more than 10 times. 33. The polar compression indicator reaches 0.02293 Gauss. 34. The equatorial radius of the planet is 25,559 kilometers. 35. The polar radius reaches 24,973 kilometers. 36. The total surface area of Uranus is 8.1156 109 km. 37. The volume is 6.833 1013 square kilometers. 38. According to data provided by Canadian astronomers, the mass of Uranus is 8.68321025 kg. 39. In relation to the core of the planet Uranus, gravity indicators have less weight than on Earth. 40. The average density of uranium is 1.27 grams per cc. 41. The acceleration of gravity at the equator of Uranus is 8.87 meters per square second. 42. The second escape velocity is 21.3 kilometers per second. 43. Astronomers have found that the equatorial rotation speed is 2.59 kilometers per second. 44. Uranus is capable of making a full revolution around its axis in 17 hours and 14 minutes. 45. The right ascension of the North Pole is 17 hours 9 minutes 15 seconds. 46. Declination of the North Pole 15.175 degrees. 47. Scientists have found that the angular diameter of Uranus is 3.3 inches 4.1. 48. Hydrogen is the most abundant component of the planet. Uranium consists of 82.5% of it. 49. The core of the planet consists of rock. 50. The planet's mantle, the layer between the core and crust, weighs 80.124. This is also equal to approximately 13.5 Earth masses. Consists mainly of water, ammonia and methane.